Hi, because I usually do it because I'm my age. Famous line because I try to put me in
What's your name?
there. Is that the big
Yours?
chili?
What are you guys doing?
Playing on slides.
Oh.
Today we're gonna have